channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today we're making Portokalopita. This is a really unique dessert. You're gonna start off with some phyllo dough. If you guys have never seen this, you get it from the frozen section of your grocery store where the frozen desserts and pie crusts are. You're gonna take it the night before and put it in the fridge so that it defrosts. And the next morning, you're gonna unwrap your phyllo and lay it out on this baking sheet. And as you can see, in an hour, laying outside is just gonna become really dry and crumbly. So this is the base of our pie. This isn't really a pie. Pita in Greek means pie, but it's more of like a custard cake. So now I'm gonna take my cake pan and I'm gonna crumble all this phyllo dough into my pan. You could do this in either a 13x9 or this is an 11-inch circle. Onto the custard. This custard is very easy. Obviously, it's gonna have some olive oil. Surprise, surprise. And some Greek yogurt. This is phyllo. This is 1 cup. Here I have 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, some orange zest, vanilla extract, and a little baking soda and baking powder. Mix everything up well. If you guys are wondering why we dried out this phyllo, it's because if you didn't dry out the phyllo would clump together and you would get big chunks of dough in the pie. So just be sure to take that extra step to dry it out. So now that this is all mixed up, we're gonna pour it over this. It wasn't that easy. Get it in all that phyllo. My brother made this one time, but I can't remember if I tried it or not. He's always baking. He loves to bake like me. But he tries a lot more like dinner recipes. I'm more of a dessert fan, as you guys could tell from all of my recipes on my channel. Gosh, this looks wonderful. This is what it's looking like. As you can see, the phyllo dough just really shrunk down. And it's all coated in all of that olive oil. You know, with all that olive oil, this is gonna be really moist and crispy on top. The top is gonna be extremely crispy. So now that it's ready, I'm just gonna top it with some pretty orange slices. These are like an array of tangelos and mandarins. Greek orange cake. Okay, I'm gonna bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So once the cake is in the oven, you could start the syrup that's gonna be poured all over this luscious pie. The syrup is really easy. It's just sugar and water. And a little orange zest. It's ready. This is what it looks like. Look at all those beautiful oranges. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna put the syrup. The cake has just came out of the oven. It's piping hot and we're gonna pour cold syrup over the cake. All right guys, it's taste test time. Look what this guy looks like. Can you see all the layers of the phyllo? When you smash it with your fork, it kind of gushes the syrup. Can you see that? A lot of Greek desserts are like soaked in syrup. They're very sweet. This one shouldn't be too sweet though. I cut down the sugar in the cake by a lot. Siniasas, everyone. When you bite down, you get little gushes of the syrup coming out of every single layer. It's unbelievable. And the best part is like all the caramelization on the bottom. I mean, look how golden brown that is. This tastes very Greek. All the Greek desserts have very similar tastes. This kind of reminds me of like a croissant bread pudding. This needs to sit in the fridge overnight. You can tell that it's meant to be eaten cold and it needs to really penetrate 24 hours. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.